Hey guys, I'm showing you this oversized rubber beach bag. So this is a durable open tote bag with holes for the beach boat pool sports. So you can see this is a very rubberized material, flexible. This is a big size and it's a lightweight, spacious. So this is a waterproof and sandproof beach bag, easy to clean, dirty and grime on surface. Here's unique design. You can just open this and put this. You have to push it actually on those holes. Yeah, so push this inside into these holes. It's a little bit tight because this is new, but you have to just push it properly inside it. And the same thing is with this tote bag, that you have to put these small holes into this made holes like that. So see, it will just fit in. So once everything is assembled, this looks like this. This is a big size, can have towels and many things inside. Easy to clean, easy to use, rubber material, and pretty handy to take anywhere you want. I just put some stuff in it, but you can put more towels and beach stuff and other things for your need. And easy to carry, very comfortable and very handy, and you can just take it anywhere you want. And the material is really nice and durable. So high quality material with a large space, 18.9 liters in length, 9 width and 13.8 inch height.